Good afternoon, viewers. Today we are going to study chapter number 12, which is Anilox Rolls and Sleeves Cleaning Systems. Previously, we have studied Anilox Rolls importance in flexography, and we will continue with this chapter number 12, how to clean the Anilox rollers and sleeves, which is most important also in flexography. So here let us start. Proper care of Anilox rollers, a critical flexor tool, can be achieved by one of several available methods. One type of roller among the many that inhabit a flexographic printing press receive the most attention and with good reasons. The Anilox roll has been described as the heart of the flexor press, and such is deserving of proper attention and care. Its surface is composed of millions of invisible cells that capture a transfer ink and must continue to do so hour after hour at constant speed without failing. Cleaning Anilox rolls, the introduction. While there are a number of variables that can contribute to poor printing, a dirty, plugged Anilox will always result in major printing quality problems, which results in production waste. A dirty roll will have reduced ink carrying capacity, causing coverage and color density problems. Regardless of the cleaning method used, it is important to thoroughly clean as rolls as soon as possible after the press run. By their nature, water inks, unlike solvent inks, do not readily re-wet. Once dried cleaning is difficult, the dried ink is very abrasive and can cause damage to the ceramic or chrome coating on the Anilox roll. If the ink is allowed to dry on the surface of the Anilox roll, it will require more aggressive solvent or caustic cleaners to adequately remove the ink from the cells. Fine screen count Anilox rolls are, by the nature of the much smaller cells, more susceptible to quicker plugging. They will require more frequent maintenance and are more difficult to clean. Now, the Anilox roller cleaning physically, exactly how it works. There are usually two types of chemical Anilox roll cleaning: daily cleaning after each new setup and deep acid based cleaning every 1 to 3 months. Daily Anilox rollers are washed with a link specific solvents after each retooling. Every 1 to 3 months, aggressive chemicals are used for deep cleaning with a decent steel brush, applying the agent on the roller and letting it react, penetrate the ceramic surface and clean. Advantages: no tools necessary, quick cleaning process. Disadvantages: the use of chemicals on some Anilox rollers containing light metals or rubber elements and bodies can lead to surface damage. The process is manual and so not fully repeatable and precise. Manual washing with chemicals agents may have a negative impact on operator health as well. The environment and chemical waste generation that needs to be neutralized. Precaution: operator must use proper safety cloths and equipment, goggles and protective gloves. Day-to-day cleaning. Daily on-press cleaning will help maintain printability at a minimum of each run. Circulate solvent or water through the inking system. Using the ink pumps while rolls are turning, then the roll should be scoured. On chrome-coated rollers, a brass bristle brush should be used. A stainless bristle brush should be used on ceramic-coated rolls. A good daily hard scrubbing will go a long way toward maintaining open cells on your rolls. These are also mechanical systems that may be used on press to clean analog rolls. Number one, blast system utilize a pressurized cleaning head with vacuum removal as a cleaning system. The cleaning head is moved by hand across the roll. These systems utilize compressed carbon dioxide, fine particle materials such as baking soda or plastic beads to remove dirt and ink. Chamber ductor blades units with internal nozzles connected to a pumping system flush the analog cells cleaning solution which may consist of water, surfactant solution, solvent or caustic solution. Ultrasonic cleaning. Advantages. Ultrasonic cleaning is a very effective with all types of inks used in flexography. It is also easy to install and operate. The process is fully automated. It is easy to filter the cleaning agent so it can reused for an extended period of time, which is very economical. The system has low water consumption. Investment costs are relatively low and washing machines can be easily adapted to suit the individual needs of the printing company. Ultrasonic washer specification contains the number of units in the machine, working unit length, internal and external diameter. The machine can be fitted with single or double frequency and rinsing function. Disadvantages. Be aware that excessive exposure time can cause cell damage. The roller must cool down to room temperature before reinstallation. Number third, limit exposure times for higher screen engraving. They are more delicate and susceptible to damage. And here showing that what is the damage of ultrasonic damage cleaning. Recommendations for cleaning analog rolls using ultrasonic sound waves between 360 LPI and below 20 minutes, 380 to 440 LPI 15 minutes, for 460 to 660 LPI of analog cells 10 minutes, 680 to 800 3 minutes, 800 and above LPI should not be cleaned in ultrasonic tanks. Very slow, especially the higher the line screen count 45 minutes to 1.5 hour. Uses heat and cavitation to clean, which also can cause damage if parameters are manipulated. Can easily cause damage to the analog roll upon malfunction. Ultrasound waves seeks density and cause extreme heat if left in the same spot too long. Shortens the life of the analog roll. Analogs must be thoroughly rinsed before storage or installed in the press. Pressure liquid analog cleaning. This is another kind of, there are two types of pressure cleaning: spray a high pressure liquid directly on a roll and soak pressure wash immersion system. Usually it is based on a liquid and high pressure water. Therefore, the system is effective even for high line analogs. The quick and gentle cleaning process leaves the rolls totally clean and ready for immediate use after just 10 to 20 minutes cleaning without causing any wear or tear to the roll. This makes it possible to keep your analog roll totally clean at all times, ensuring a high and consistent print quality and a long lifetime of the analog roll. Cleaning is usually done in an enclosed glove box cabinet using a heated caustic or detergent cleaning solution. A solvent would not likely be used due to the risk of fire and explosion. A soap pressure wash immersion system consists of a tank to hold the bath, heaters, and rotating roll holders, pumps, and filters. The pumps supply the heated liquid under pressure through the bath, spray under immersion, and into the analog cells. These are the machine usually available in the market. So it is used for pressure liquid analog cleaning system. So see the before cleaning and after cleaning, these are the results. And to dry blast media cleaning, a non-abrasive material such as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, polyethylene beads, or carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice, is sprayed under pressure onto the roll. Because the cell walls can be easily damaged by the pressure particles, care must be used. Both baking soda and polyethylene bead cleaning are usually done in a enclosed cabinets to prevent the media from becoming airborne. Baking soda is non-toxic and non-hazardous. Polyethylene beads may be reused as disposed of a polyethylene waste. When using CO2, carbon dioxide, all these that remains when cleaning is complete, completed is the ink particles and wasted removed from the surface. The CO2 evaporates into the atmosphere once the blast media is contaminated with ink and other materials removed during the cleaning process. Its waste classification may change. Review of the MSDS and laboratory testing may be necessary. Here is the equipment, typical equipment for blast media cleaning. Dry blast media cleaning disadvantages. Very slow, especially high line screen count. Effectiveness diminish as line screen increase. Can easily cause damage to the Anilox if malfunction. Shortens the life of the Anilox roll. Causes a larger mess of soda powder in the wash area and print area. Analogs must be washed of soda residue before installing in the press. Here is showing that what is the issues, disadvantages. If it is 200 CPI with a 200x magnification, 500 CPI, and soda lasting damage. Another technology has been coming and already came, a laser Anilox cleaning system. The Anilox rolls absorb the energy of the laser beam, which has a high intensity impact on its ceramic surface. It leads to the so-called cold evaporation of the types of the contamination from the roller. A suction unit for removing ink resides and other contaminations are required. The process takes about 45 minutes to complete. How laser cleaning works? Laser cleaning technology works by sending nanosecond length pulses of laser light towards a surface. When it interacts with contaminants that absorb laser light, that contaminants or coating particles will either turn into a gas or the pressure of the interaction will cause particles to free from the surface. In addition to its cleaning capability, laser technology has added benefits. It is easy to operate, safe, easily automated, quiet, and reliable. It does not require cleanup, comes with low operating cost, it's low maintenance, and environmentally friendly. The conclusion. The decision to choose an Anilox cleaning technology needs to be taken concerning the needs of particular production process. The key element should be an honest analysis of the advantages and disadvantages of the particular cleaning methods relative to the production profile and inventory of Anilox rollers, taking into account the speed, efficiency, investment cost, and environmental impact. Before investing, it is important to able to test the method under production conditions, verify its impact on the condition and wear of analogs, as well as check the efficiency of chosen cleaning method through volumetric measurement, centimeter cube per meter square, which is BCM, after washing analogs with different screen rollings. So, thank you very much for giving your valuable time, and further more clarification, I wish to receive your emails also on email ID ah.flexomaster@gmail.com. Thank you very much. So, viewers, we have completed the chapter number 12, Anilox Rolls and Sleeves Cleaning Systems. And I request you kindly subscribe my channel and comment your views after watching, and also like and share whoever may be benefit. Thank you very much. See you soon with my another video. Thank you.